Good evening friends, I hope you are following the thermodynamic lectures thoroughly. Today our goal is to complete the types of specific heat capacity. There are two types of specific heat capacities are there. One is the gram specific heat capacity, another one is the molar specific heat capacity. So let me discuss one by one. So very easy definitions only. Let me start with the gram specific heat capacity. The gram specific heat capacity is nothing but the amount of heat required to rise unit degree temperature for unit mass of the substance, that is 1 gram of substance, 1 gram mass of the substance. So that is named as the gram specific heat capacity. The amount of heat required to rise unit degree temperature for 1 gram mass of the substance is nothing but gram specific heat capacity. The definition, the mathematical formula is same for this one. So the mathematical formula C is equal to 1 by m dq by dt. Here we need to take the mass of the substance in grams. Then the temperature is, we need to increase the temperature is 1 degree temperature. If mass is equal to 1 gram, the amount of heat required is nothing but gram specific heat capacity. Now one more definition is there. So molar specific heat capacity. Then what does it mean by molar specific heat capacity? Means the substance is taken is the 1 mole mass. That is the definition. So the amount of heat required to rise 1 degree temperature for 1 gram mole of the substance, that is the amount of heat required. That is the definition for the molar specific heat capacity. The amount of heat required to rise 1 degree temperature for 1 gram mole of the substance. So if you go to the mathematical formula for this one, so the molar specific heat capacity is equal to, instead of m we written here is the number of moles. If m is equal to 1 mole, 1 gram mole, then the temperature, rise in temperature is equal to 1 degree temperature, then molar specific heat, the gram molar specific heat capacity is equal to C is equal to dq will come. So here n is equal to 1 mole of the 1 gram mole, 1 gram mole, 1 gram mole of the substance we will take. So and dt is equal to 1 degree rise in temperature, 1 degree rise in temperature, then C is equal to dq will come. The amount of heat required to rise 1 degree temperature of the substance for which 1 gram mole of the substance. So that is the definition for the two definitions for the molar specific heat capacity and gram specific heat capacity. So these are the two definitions. So if you are feeling that this concept, these lectures are useful for your academics or any competitive exam preparation, please subscribe the channel, so and share the videos to your friends. Thank you.